Hi everybody, welcome to Beauty Buzz with Lori. So today I'm going to share with you some of my most favorite devices that I actually use at home that really do work for your skin. So I'm going to start number one with the Gua Sha or Gua Sha. I'm not sure honestly of that pronunciation, but honestly I just purchased these off of Amazon. They're not expensive at all. And so these are really nice because they're actual stones. They're a natural stone, a jade if you will, and you use these to do lymphatic drainage, and then also you can help to give your skin a nice temporary lift. So what I like about this little guy right here is that it came with directions and showed you, told you how to do it. But also there's tons of videos on there. Just make sure that you're doing it from someone who truly knows what they're doing and not someone who's just gotten on there, learned how to do it, and is gonna now tell you how they do it. So always make sure that your resource that you're using for your information is a good one. This is nice again because it comes with all the different shapes. I do recommend that you use these with a serum or a moisturizer on the skin so that you're gliding and not pulling that skin as well. This is an oldie but a goodie. You guys have seen me with this before. So this is the LED mask. It has red and blue light. So if you yourself struggle with acne or you have a teenager that is struggling with acne, the blue light is great for that because this helps to not only kill bacteria, but it also helps with some of that blood circulation area. But the number one thing is the killing of bacteria, so it will help, but it does need to be used regularly, so make sure you follow the instructions for this. The red light is for anti-aging, so this helps to stimulate new collagen production and just overall anti-aging, okay? So this is a great one too. There's many different kinds out there, so do your due diligence. This one is FDA cleared. There are several out there that other doctors recommend and things like that too, so just do a little bit of research before you purchase one and make sure that it's going to work great for you, okay? Another one that is also, I feel like, kind of forgotten is microcurrent. So microcurrent is great for circulation, for taking that muscle and kind of helping to lift a little bit. So it will also give you a temporary lift, but used on a regular basis, this can actually have a skin tightening effect as well. You can use this with serums also, so you can take your favorite serum and use it with that. This is my personal one. This is actually a professional one, but there are ones that you can get like at Ulta, even off of Amazon. NuFace is a very reputable microcurrent device. It's a handheld, and it has several different attachments. It also includes some of the LED light features as well. So again, do your due diligence and check these things out, but NuFace, take note on that one, okay? This is excellent, not only for acne, but also for anti-aging too. So this is high frequency, and I've got mine kind of hooked up because this is the one that I use here at the office, but I also have one of these at home too. It's an infrared actually, not an LED. And it comes with several different attachments. Like this one right here, you would attach, and this is so that you can go through the hair. And so this is supposed to stimulate hair growth and even promote a healthy scalp. I don't know if there's studies behind how this actually works. This is not part of what I use when I'm using this one. I use the other three attachments more so. So this one right here is for a larger surface, so you can kind of go all over the skin. Again, you want to have some kind of slip on the skin, whether it be a serum or a hydrator. And then whenever you turn it on, this is what I wanted to show you. So I don't know if it transfers onto the screen, but there's kind of like a pinkish light that comes through whenever it's touching the skin. It's calibrated to kill bacteria, so this is excellent. You can also do lymphatic drainage with this too if you know how to do that. And this is for kind of more like spot treating. It's got the little tiny round speed and you can go directly on that. One of the things that you can do too with this, it doesn't feel great, but it doesn't feel horrible either. It does feel a little like an electrical shock. So when you're attaching it to the skin, you want to put it on by holding it first and then pull your finger off. And then if you've got a little blemish or pimple that is just really acting up and giving you a hard time, use the spot treater and you can put it directly on that. And again, I'm not sure it's going to pick up, but it kind of arcs a little bit, and that will actually just even kill it further. With that said, you can overdo it with this. So I just say 30 to 60 seconds whenever you're using it directly on a blemish, so that you don't over process the skin with that. And then this one is great for going in those alar folds, you know, little areas where you can't get in necessarily with the larger one that you're going all over the face. This is one of my favorites, and I recommend this even to my patients who come in for acne treatments. This is a great device to have in your toolbox at home in order to combat that acne. This is the Jade roller, and of course I got mine in pretty pink with the rose gold, but this is a great depuffer. So I keep mine in the refrigerator, and if I wake up because I didn't sleep well and I've got the puffy lower lids, then I'll just go grab this, put my eye cream on, just dot it on, and just slowly go back and forth under there. It helps to get that fluid from under the eye. This really does work as well. Extractors. All right, so proceed with caution. You can hurt yourself with these. These are stainless steel instruments, and I use them in facials. Like whenever I'm doing HydraFacials, if it won't suck all of those blackheads out, then I will, you know, go through with this. So you don't really need to press on the skin because you can break the skin. Just be very gentle and make sure, if you don't know how to do it, you get someone to teach you how to do it maybe. There's several different types in here, so you can figure out whichever one is your favorite. Again, you can get these off of Amazon. You can buy them at Ulta, Sephora, lots of places. I think even CVS and Walgreens might carry some cheaper versions or something like that. Just be very careful. They're okay to use, just be gentle. The last thing I want to talk to you about is actually an ultrasonic spatula. I don't have mine here. I thought I did, but it is one of my favorite things to use. So what it does is it has a little bit of vibration to it. It's angled to actually go on the nose, and you can get those little blackheads out, those little things that don't want to come out very well. It just kind of vibrates them right out. You do have to use this with either like your cleanser is a great time to use it because it does exfoliate the skin as well. You can actually flip it over, and there's also a setting on it so that you can again do some of that lymphatic drainage, get a little bit of lift to the skin, and drain out some of those toxins as well. These are some of my favorite things to use at home with my skincare. I hope that you have found this video helpful, and thanks for watching.